Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can add the Google Translate extension into your Chrome browser. So the process was very simple. First open your Chrome browser and here in the Google search box just type here the web store and just search for it. Now the first website will come up which says the Chrome web store. Just click on that website to open it. So now here you need to just click on the search extension and theme, and now here you need to just search for the Google Translate extension, and I also show you how you can use it. So just type here and hit the enter. You will see the first extension which is the Google Translate side panel. Just click on that, and now as you will see this has the 4.5 star ratings, which is the very good. Just click on the add to Chrome and then click on the add extension option you are seeing. So after that it will start downloading into your browser and also start installing. Just click on this extension icon and just pin this extension into your Chrome browser. So just click on this pin icon, then it will pin into your browser. Just click on this extension and now it will be opened, and now here you can translate any text from your anytime easily. So guys, this is how you can download and install the Google Translate extension. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.